National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Peyton, or 23 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellicott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah, Bodo is saying that Hulk Hogan is going to be speaking tonight at the